Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to disable the Discord join sound. This guide will help you eliminate distractions so you can focus on work or gaming without constant alerts. If you are in active servers, those join and leave pings are quite annoying. To start, log into your Discord account by visiting their website. On the homepage, select the login option. Carefully type your email address, making sure it matches your account to avoid any login issues. Next, enter your password. Keep in mind that it is case-sensitive, so verify your caps lock status and ensure any special characters are included. Once your details are entered, hit the login button to access your dashboard. From there, locate the settings menu by clicking the gear icon situated near your username at the bottom. While the menu has many options, we are looking for one specific area today. Inside the settings, navigate to the Notifications tab. This section manages all alerts, including messages and server updates. Scroll down to find the User Join Notification setting, which controls the chime heard when someone enters your voice channel. Simply toggle this switch to the off position. This silences the join sound while keeping your direct message and mention alerts active, so you won't miss important private conversations. You have now successfully muted the Discord join sound. This small change ensures a quieter environment for deep work or intense gaming sessions. Customizing these preferences makes the platform much more enjoyable. Feel free to look through other notification options to further tailor your experience. Enjoy your peaceful and distraction-free chatting.